idea of how much wind is out here. So you know I'm on the highway. We're just at a stop. Get all these cars talking. Oh, could you imagine if it was a freak accident and I locked my ass out of my van? Oh my God, it is so freaking cold. Woo! Okay, so, yeah, the highway is officially closed. The cops forced us off the highway. Now we're just stuck on this ramp. Can't move at all. Could you even hear me outside? Did you hear all that wind out there? Oh my God, look at this hand. This hand is practically froze through. And I was only outside for a couple minutes. Not even a couple minutes. I know I keep on saying it's gonna be my last video for a while, but what else is there for me to do, right? So, yeah. I was gonna say something and then I forgot. My brain is frozen. Anyhow, yeah, the wind is picking up. Listen to this.
GPS signal lost.
Okay. Hasta la vista, everybody. Hey, sorry about the way I look. I've been on the road for 2 days. I've traveled almost 2,000 miles. And I just spent 12 hours in a Walmart parking lot. And I haven't got out of my van, except right now for the first time. I need a cup of coffee. I need a cigarette. I don't even smoke. Oh my God. All right.